Okay, so today I'm going to be getting this Corolla installed. You guys have watched Speed Culture Studios, then you know about that. It's basically an X-pipe and a resonator in one. And my car needs that because right now it's just two dual outs and it sounds like a tractor. So no tip, looks like this. Let me get some sound clips. Okay, so we got a bunch of lights on the dash also, and I guess this is my first YouTube video, so hello everybody. I don't know what type of content y'all would want to see, but just let me know. POV drives or what do you want? Okay, so I'm underneath the car. The last shop that did my shit really fucked it up. I don't know if you guys can see. This one hangs lower than this one like a ball sack. And then look how far they start spreading apart. I would never go to that exhaust shop. I just went because they're the only ones willing to put on my mufflers for me for like a reasonable price. I still ended up paying $700, but yeah. Like this weld job is terrible. Not happy. But this is gonna go right up here. And then new tips. Let's see. My buddy just pulled up. He's getting his valves put on. This is his old shit, but got the valves in there. He's gonna get that shit on. My car's in there. But yeah. Oh shit, the struts are cooked. We're just gonna go get some food. We'll be back, boys. So we got it fixed. Everything. So here's the tips. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I'm gonna get some sound clips later tonight. I'm gonna have to take this carbon diffuser off because I just wanna fix that. And the bumper gets painted tomorrow. So yeah. This will get fixed in a few months. Okay, so I'm gonna get some revs, drive-bys, and everything else. My friend's gonna rev it for me. He's gonna go to the seat and rev the shit now. My friend says he doesn't like this. Look how sick it looks, bruh. Okay, let go. You're gonna kill my car. we're just gonna go get some food. We'll be back, boys. So, to be honest with you guys, I do regret the exhaust while getting the Borla. If you want that loud sound, please don't get the Borla. Do not get it. It's really quiet. On top of that, I got 2 valve mufflers. The setup, if you have money that you want to waste. If I were to do this again, I would have got an X-Pipe. And yeah, just ask me any questions if you guys have any in the comments. It sounds a lot better outside than inside. But first video, I don't know. What do all the YouTubers say? Like, subscribe, you know? Do all that. And I will see you boys in the next video.